Hi guys, so welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix repost option not showing in TikTok. So if the repost button or option is not showing on your TikTok, you can try to fix it by following the steps. First, you can check for any updates on your TikTok account or TikTok apps. So by going to the Play Store and find TikTok in here and see if it needs updating. So when you click on the TikTok apps, you can see that there is no options to update. So that means that my TikTok is already on the latest version. So that's not the problem. And the next step that you can do is go to the settings on your phone and go to the app list. So click on apps. Then in here, you can see this is the recently opened apps. You can just click on the TikTok apps here and the app info will be open. So what you need to do next is go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache and open the TikTok apps again and see if the problem is fixed. If not, you can try to clear the storage or clear data, but that means your login info will be reset. So you need to log in again when you click on the clear storage or data. And after that, you can also uninstall and reinstall the TikTok app and see if the problem is fixed. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.